So it has three compartments. This is a single node. Later I will tell you with the 3-4 nodes. This is a single node. So here we have three compartments. One is for data, for example 15. One is pointing the previous node, one point to the next node, one point to the next node. So next node address, for example here 1100 means 100 will be stored here. So guys, you tell me one more node I will draw here. So value is 20. Here what? Next node address. Next node address is 150. It is not contiguous memory location. Okay. So 150. So here I have head. Here I have head. Okay. So here maybe this node is there in 1000. This node is the complete node is there in 1000. What is the value of head? You tell me, guys. What is the value of head?
1000.
1000. What is the value of head? 1000. Okay. Here I will draw you one for your reference. This is the node. This is data. This is next. This is what I can write? Previous. Am I correct, guys? Everybody? This is previous. This is next. All of you clear? So now
Yes,
you
ma'am.
tell me. Okay. So now later I'll come here. This is address of the first node is 1000. So I have written here. So here you see head points this. So 1000 you told. Now what is the value of this previous?
1000.
1000. Very good. How I have to give arrow mark like this. Am I correct? Everybody please understand. Now you tell me here 25. Okay, what is the value of here? What is the value I have to write here?
100.
100.
100.
Good. Because everybody, all of you clear? Others please respond. Because the address of this node is N1 is 1000. Address of second node is what? 100. Because next is what here? 100. So this is 100. So here 100. Now you tell me this is the last node. This is previous. This is data. This is next. Now here it will point 100. Good. Now you tell me what is the address, what is the value of this next,
Null character.
the value of this previous. What is the value of this next?
Null character.
What is the value of the address here? What address I have to write here?
Null.
What value will come? Null. Because it,
Null.
It is the last node. So like that. You tell me what is the value I have to write here? Previous node's address. Here you have written 1000 because previous node address is 1000. Here you have written 100 because previous node address is 100. Am I correct, guys? So here what is the value I had? What is the value I have to write here? Here clear. You are clear that here null because no node is then after this. Like that I have to write the previous node address only here or what? Guys, are you clear? What is the value here? Any previous node is there for this node?
No, ma'am.
This is the first node. Am I correct, guys? This is your first node. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So here you don't have a value because you don't have a node previous this. So what I have to write? Usually if you don't have a value, what you will write? What you have written here? Null. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
But here also what you have to write? Null only. Clear? Everybody. All, how many of you are there except me? 60. Why 54 only today? Slowly our attendance is reducing. You tell your friends, those who are not attending, at last we can't help them. If they'll attend class only, they can understand. Especially these subjects and all, if they'll attend class only, they can understand the concept. Lab also is there. Okay, guys, please inform. Aisha or Ashish, you just send a general message that ma'am asked to attend, all of you to attend the classes regularly. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So again, I am telling you guys. Here it will represent previous node. Here it will represent this one next node. For first node, next node I can get the address, but previous node I could not get because nobody is there. So I have to write null. Like that, last node I can get previous node, but last node next nobody is there. I have to get null. From this, can we come for one conclusion? In a doubly linked list, the previous field of the first node is what? In a doubly linked list, the previous node of the previous field of the first node is what here? Null. And next field of the last node is next field of the last node is null. Clear, all of you? Shall I repeat again?
No, ma'am. Clear.
So this is head, this is last tail if you see. So it is the first node. So first node previous field always should be null because it doesn't have the previous node. Like that, last node's next field always should be null because it doesn't have a next node. So this is the call. So W linked list means it is also a linear data structure and dynamic memory allocation. To overcome the disadvantage, one of the disadvantages of linked list that we could not traverse in both direction in single linked list. To overcome this disadvantage, we got one more linked list that is called W linked list. W linked list has three fields. One first field represent previous field, previous node's address. Middle is called as data. Last field is used to represent the address of the next node. So in a W linked list, always the previous field of first node is null and the next field of last node is null. Clear? All the points easily can you write? If define explain English linked means, can you write these 5 or 6 points? Clear,
Yes,
guys?
ma'am.
Okay, good. So
Yes, ma'am.
now we will go here. So this already we have discussed. One example. So this is data link 1 and link 2. This is node. Anything you can use, previous or next or anything you can use. So link 1 field is used to store the address of the previous node in the sequence, and link 2 field is used to store the address of the next node in the sequence, and data field is used to store the actual value of that node. Okay, clear. So this is one example. So here you see I have given null. Here I have given null. I have written in our diagram that address of previous and next node. Here just they are representing. It will give the next node address. It will give you the previous node address. Okay. This is your front or head or anything you can use. So what are the points you have to remember when you are discussing about linked list is the first node must always be pointed by head. This is as usual. Okay, if you study single linked list thoroughly, you can compare with circular linked list and W linked list and we can easily understand everything. Always the previous field of the first node must be null. Already I told you guys with the example. Always the next field of the last node must be null. This two things you should always remember. So you see here, this is previous, this is next. So null, this is null. Okay. The two links helps us to traverse the list in both backward and forward direction. What are the two links? Previous and next. Okay. But storing an extra link requires some extra spaces. Yes, because when you are going to do single linked list, only two fields. But here three fields. So you are in need of extra spaces. Here also dynamic memory location. So here anybody can tell, before I will show you that, how you can create a node, how you can create a node Code wise you tell. If you want to create the node, one snippet will be one, like for example, simple C program you are writing. First line, what will you do? Header file you will include. Am I correct? Hash include stdio.h, hash include stdlib.h, conio.h, etc. etc. Like that, when you are going to create a linked list by with the help of C program, by default, what you have to write as a first snippet or first code. First, what is the step? You have to create a node. Whether you are going to add at the beginning, add at the end, or add at the given position, what you have to do, I told you. You have to create a node. Like this, you have to create a node. Am I correct, guys? Like this, you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
create a node. Node has having how many fields? Single, I'm telling. Data and next. So if you have to represent this diagrammatic representation in your C program, what you will do? What code you have to write? At least now can you remember or what you tell me? Node creation, what is the code?
Structure.
You have to create a structure.
Struct node.
Structure, sorry. Struct node, correct? Then you will write int data, int data for this data. Okay. For the next, what you will give here? For this
Struct
next
node address.
struct node star next. What kind of data structure this is? What kind of structure this is? I told you. This code is the best example for which kind of structure?
Self-referential structures.
Good, very good. Self-referential structure. Am I correct? Self-referential structure. This is for one node. Am I correct, guys? Here I am going to add one more field. Is it visible? One more field which is previous. Which is previous. Now what I have to do? You tell me. This code is enough or extra anything I have to add here in this structure? I have to create a node. Now your node is having how many compartments? 3 compartments.
Previous, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. So you have done for data and the next you have done. You have to create for this also or what? So same, struct. Guys, these things are no need to buy ahead. If you understand, you can write struct node star previous. Am I correct? Am I correct? So now this data for this portion, this next for this portion, and previous for this portion. Am I correct? So already you have known how to create a node by using structure variable. Now in that already existed structure code, you have to add one more self-referential, that is struct node star previous. That's all. Clear? Clear? Okay. So now we are in need of some extra space or what? Because for previous also. So now you check. So simply I can show this code and I can explain, you will understand. But if I explain that and if you see this, you can be thorough, you will not forget. So struct node int data node star previous node star next. Ma'am, like this way only I should write. No, that is your wish. So star previous and star next, it is reference to the previous node. It is a reference to the next node. All of you clear? Everybody? Shall I move on to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we define our class W linked list. It has the following method. So what are the methods? What are the otherwise operations? Anything. Add friend. That means add a new node in the beginning of the list. Add the new node after another node. Here if you see two are there. After another node, before another node. Okay. And last one is add at the end. Delete also, delete from the front, delete at the end, and delete a particular node. Delete a particular node. Next to traversing here, there in single linked list only traversing means in only one direction from head to tail. That's all, from first node to the last node. But here we have two directions. One is in the forwarded direction, another one is in the reverse direction or backward direction. So that there are two traverse. One is forward traverse, another one is backward traverse. Sorry. Okay, guys. Next, this already we have discussed that singly linked list also I have shown from one book. Am I correct? I have drawn and I have shown. Same.
Ma'am, we can't see
Here
the
we
screen.
have
Ma'am,
only
screen is not visible, ma'am.
not
Screen is
visible.
not visible.
Wait, I'll check. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
so there if you see previous one we have discussed. That is what only data and next we have. Am I correct, guys? But here, if you see data, previous, next, two. Can you remember when we were discussing that? Because here somewhere I'm having the space, that's why I'm drawing. So can you remember the two columns that marks we have discussed? So this is the data. This is data. This is next. Always first one minus one. So like that here if you see, this is data, this is previous and this is next. Okay. For example, your first node is like this. First node may be header. Previous is what here? What is the previous? You see these three values. You see these three values and tell me the representation here. Head is 1. So this is 1. Okay. Head is 1. So I'm having 1. This is my head. Guys, please. So now you tell me what is the previous of here. This is your first node. This is your first
Previous.
minus 1. Null. Here they have represented minus 1. What is the data?
13.
13. What is the next node?
4, ma'am.
4. Okay. Now one more node I will draw here. What is the address of this? Here I have written 1 because head points 1 I have written. This is what? This is what?
4, ma'am. 4.
Very good. 4. So here I have to point this. Am I correct? What is the value? What is the value of here?
15, ma'am.
15. What is the previous?
1.
1.
Very good. What is after? Next?
6.
6. Okay. Here only shall I draw? What is here?
No
You
problem.
tell me. This is 6. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the value?
19.
16, 6, 19. 19. What is previous? Everybody, please, guys. Everybody try to answer.
4, ma'am.
4. What is next?
8.
8.
8. Now understand?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
One more. This completely we will draw. This is my. Now this is my. Which what is the address of this? 8. Am I
8.
correct, guys? 8. What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
value? What is the value?
57.
57.
57.
What is the previous?
6.
6.
6. What is the next?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Now will you understand both the way? It is also easy if you are drawing like the note. This is only. Everybody clear how to draw the doubly linked list? This is only graphical
ma'am.
representation. Is it easy?
Very easy, ma'am.
Okay. So compared to coding, graphical representation is easy. If you are drawing the if you are giving the graphical representation very properly, as a faculty, I can understand from your answer script that you have understood the concept. Okay. So next slide. Everybody, all of you clear? Next.
Yes,
Insert at
ma'am.
the beginning. Same. Single linked list also same. circular linked list also we have discussed the same. So if you see code also more or less same, guys. One or two changes or one or two addition of the code we have to do. That's all. So first one, at, inserting at the beginning of the list. Those who are not answered still now, please open your mouth and answer. What is the first step of this? One no, already two nodes are there in the linked list. Now you are going to insert one node with value 10 or value 5 in the given linked list, existing linked list. What is your first step? What is your first step? Anybody? If I'll tell those are not answering, nobody is opening. Okay. What is the first step? What you have to do? You have to create a node. Am I correct? You have to create a node. How you will create a node? First, you have to define the node with respect to structure variable. Then you have to use malloc function. You should not forget this. Okay. So here you see the new node is always added before the head of the given linked list. Newly added node becomes the new head of the DLL because it will point to the next node. For example, if the given linked list is 10, 20, 15, 20, 25, that means what values? If you are executing your program also, it will not show you like that how I have shown like this way or this way, it will not show. It will show you the values only. Okay guys. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and we add the item 30 at the end. Sorry. 10, 15, 20, 25 and we add an item 5 at the front. So after this, what is your status of linked list? Don't see the PPT, you just tell me. At least those who are known, you tell me. At least I'll be satisfied that few are listening. After adding 5 in this 10, 20, 15, 20, 25 linked list, what is the status of your current linked list? With respect to values, you tell me.
5, 10, 15,
5,
20,
10, 15, 20. Wait. Otherwise, again, as usual, we will draw here and we will discuss. So, according to them, I will take only 3. Okay, guys. Ten, 15, 20. Okay. What is the previous of this? What is the previous of this? What I have to write here?
null,
Null. Good. Null. Then I will. Here what I should write?
Null.
Null. This is my existing linked list. Now they ask me to add one node with value 5. So what you have to do first? I have to create a node. Am I correct? I have to create a node separately. Ma'am, I can go there, I will create. No, first step of the programmer is you have to create a node with value 5. I have created. I have created. Now what I have to do, you tell me as usual, what we have discussed in our, this one only. What we have discussed in a singly linked list only. Now I will, for your safer side, I will create here. So here 5. Now usually what we will do, this head we will change. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So again join the same link now. Once the 10 minutes is there. So what I have to do, I have to remove this head. Okay. So now head will point to this. For example, this address is 1200. What is the head address? 1200. Am I correct, guys? Okay. This is 500. This is 550. Whatever I'm not writing on the top is address. This is 300. Now head points this. Now you tell me n will be here. Null has to be maintained in this node of the previous.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
Previous no.
Yeah.
1200.
So 1200. 1200. So it won't be null. It will be getting the address of previous. So here what will be there? Because why? Because in exam, if you general thing, you can write only with the arrow mark. No need of address. Why I am writing again and again address means you have to be familiar. So here what will come? 500. Am I correct, guys? 500. Now you tell me where I have to put. Here null is maintaining. Good. Here what I have to give?
Null.
Null. So that how many steps we have done? First I have to create a node. Am I correct? Create a node. So what I have to do? I have to get the memory for this, that address by using. Third, what I have to do? I have to point the head to new node. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
New node, head address. Next, what I have to do? New node tends to next. New node tends to next to equal to what, or this one? New node tends to next equal to this temp node or anything. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Previous node, previous link should point to the new node next. Am I correct? So these many steps I have to do when you are going to add the node at the beginning. Okay, shall we discuss now? Diagrammatic representation, all of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so you see here, after this, you will get 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. According to us is 5, 10, 15, 20. So we have to call the function that adds at the front of the list push off. Ma'am, push off only I have to use, not like that. From somewhere I have taken, they have told. So logic is yours. Receive a pointer to the head pointer because push must change the head pointer to point to the new node. Shall we discuss here now? This example I have given you with function code. So if you could not write complete code also, like this, if you write and if you join, you will get a complete program. Like that way I have taken this. Okay, guys. So now understand, I have drawn in our whiteboard the same they have used. Before head was pointing to A and previous of A is null. Now I have created a node E. E is next pointing to A. A's previous pointing to E. E's previous will be null. Here, this side I will not touch. This side I will not touch. All of you clear with this diagram? Say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, shall we discuss the code? If you understand this,
Yes, ma'am.
addition at the end, addition after or before are easy for you. Okay. So this is called 5-step process. That's why I told you. Okay. To the head of a list and an int inserts a new node on the front of the list. So they told you push. So I have used same method push. What are the, it's a method. So I have to pass the argument. So guys here, wait. Don't confuse, ma'am has put struct node double star. This is star head reference. Struct node star head reference. Okay guys, point. Comma into new data. So first, what is the step I have to do? Allocate the node. How you can allocate the node? Already you have created, so you have given the node, created a node by using structure variable. So here I am going to allocate the node with the help of memory. So struct node star new node equal to struct node star malloc size of struct node. All of you know this code already, so many times I explained. Next I have to put the data. So new node tends to data equal to new data. Am I correct? What is my new data? 5. 5 will be stored in new node tends to data. This new node tends to data. Here they have used E. Our value is 5. Am I correct? Next, make next of new node as head and previous as null. The first 2, 3 points is your algorithm. Corresponding code. Is it easy? Algorithm corresponding C code. So first I have to allocate the node. So I have to use my malloc function. Syntax of malloc function, you know that. Struct node star is my structure variable. New node is my node, new node, equal to, this is typecasting, struct node star, malloc of size of struct node. Size of struct node. Next, put in the data. New node tends to data equal to new data. So what is my new data here? 5. 5 will be, otherwise here only I will show you. So now I have allocated the memory for you. For example, the memory of this node is 1000. Okay, guys. So now the new data equal to new node tends to data. What is this? This is previous, this is data, and this is next. Am I correct? Am I correct? Now new node. This, the name of this is called as new node. Name of this is called as new node. Now you tell me where this 5 will go and sit here. This one. This is data. Am I correct, guys? Everybody
ma'am.
understand? So new node
Yes,
tends to data. Sorry, new data equal to new node tends to data. New node, this tends I told you. Instead of dot operator, here you are using tends. Tends. So that, so new node tends to data equal to 5 I have done. Next what I have to do? I have to make next of new node as head and previous as null. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Previous as null. Okay, so I have to give that new node tends to next head reference, because why I am giving head reference? Anybody? Ma'am, why ma'am here you are giving head reference? Because I had to take the first node address only now, ma'am. Because where your first node address is there, this is your first node, already created node. This is your head. Head reference is 1250. So what is the address of this node? 1250.
250.
Here something that and all you leave. So this is 10. Okay. So now you tell. Where is that? Make next of new node as head and previous as null. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So that
Yes, ma'am.
this head, this address has to be given to here. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Given to here. So that now head address that I'm going to change. So now this head address 1020 will sit here. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have to
Yes,
change
ma'am.
this head address. That head address is what now? 1000.
1000.
And this is what? New node to previous is what?
Null.
Null.
Null, ma'am.
Null.
Null. So now this head will be, this 2020 will be changed. Here only I am using, guys, please adjust. Now this one. So now I have to change this head address. So this one will be removed and I have to use here. This one. Okay. Am I correct? Now I have got. Okay. First what I have done, still it is there. I will show you. I have allocated the node so that I got that memory is 1000. Next I put the data so that I have placed that my data is 5.
5.
Next I have make next of new node as head and previous as null. Okay, yes, previous as null. So null has been stored in new node next to previous. Star head reference. Star head reference is what now?
1000.
This 1000. So it will be stored. Before star head reference is what? 1250. Am I correct?
1250.
1250. This 1250 will be stored in new node next. That's why here I am getting 1250.
50.
Clear?
Yes,
Clear,
ma'am.
everybody? Okay. Next. Fourth step. Change previous of head node to new node. Am I correct? Previous of head node to